Good afternoon, good afternoon. Today I'm going to share with you a historic spot on Sanibel that is only accessible by bike path, but it's worth the journey. The old Sanibel Cemetery. George Barnes was a travelling evangelist who brought his family to Sanibel in 1890. They built a church and opened a hotel called the Sisters. Casa Ybel Resort is now located at this site. The cemetery is on part of the Barnes old homestead. Look ahead to your left and you will see the grey buildings of Casa Ybel, right alongside the beach. In the foreground is Algiers Lane, which takes you to Gulfside City Park. You can check out a previous video we did about Gulfside City Park. Coming down Algiers Lane, you can see the bike path turning left. The bike path runs from Algiers Lane to Middle Gulf Drive. This is a view from the opposite direction, coming from Casa Ybel Road. Head south on Middle Gulf Drive. The bike path follows along Middle Gulf Drive, but take the turn off to the right at the bend. Isaac Newton Rutland was buried under the tall tombstone in 1916. His widowed mother, Irene, moved to Sanibel with 5 children. She eventually married Henry Shanahan. Shanahan served as the Sanibel lighthouse keeper from 1889 to 1913. The gravestone was used in later years by aviators to locate the approach to Casa Ybel Resort's grass airstrip. Edmund Taylor was the last person to be buried in 1967. Edmund was a shrimper and handyman from New Jersey. He had no family, so local residents attended the service. The cemetery is no longer in use and contains at least 31 graves, many unmarked. I hope you take the time to venture down this path and pay homage to some of Sanibel's early pioneers. My name is Nick Adams. Come and join me on the next one.